to show you the most insane experiments of all time, starting with filling a house with over 100,000 fireworks. Please do not try this in your house. For this experiment, each of the boys will hide a dummy in my new house to see if it's even possible to survive.
Water and fire don't mix. My mannequin is going to survive.
Mine's in the fridge.
Go in, come on. Let's blow this house up. Hey, be careful. If you accidentally press 1, the house explodes.
Oh my goodness.
Please. Where's your mannequin?
Bathtub.
Fridge.
Under the washer.
Tree?
Front porch.
Oh yeah, it's sitting right there.
This is gonna be the coolest thing you have ever seen in your life.
Yes!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Fire in the hole!
What happened to the house?
I can't even see it anymore.
This is terrifying.
Oh my God.
I don't think our mannequins are gonna make it.
The house burned down all night until there was literally nothing left, including all the mannequins.